Hi guys. Okay, so we're gonna make a DCP now. So there's a lot of software out there to make this, but we're gonna use the DCP-O-Matic. It's the simplest way to do it. We don't have to make sequences from TIFF files or from PNG or JPEG or anything. So I have the software here installed. I will leave in the description of the YouTube video. I'll leave where to download it. So let's start. So we open DCP-O-Matic. Now, you downloaded the Blu-ray copy of the Terminator already. So what we have to do is start by making a new project here. Yes, we're going to name the project. Naming the project, and then we choose the destination folder. I would recommend using somewhere on a different disk than you're encoding from. Yes, and then this is, yeah, okay. Yes, I want to use it. So now we're gonna add the source files. So we're gonna do this by add files, and we're gonna go to where you downloaded the actual Blu-ray. We go into this folder, then stream, and inside you choose the biggest file, which is 33 gigabytes, as you see here, and you open that. That's the video file. The rest is just Blu-ray buttons and stuff. Now the file is open. We can have a look at it. As we'll see, it's working. Okay, so now we gotta set it up. So we're gonna, it says first let's do the format. So we choose flat format. So this is flat format. Now, if we choose flat, it's gonna scale the picture up on the screen, and it's gonna stretch the picture to flat format, which is what we want to do. Now the DCP, it's 23.9760 frames per second. We want it to run at and it says it's going to run 100.1% of the content speed, which is fine. Don't worry about that, leave it. Now next thing we're gonna do is go to audio, and this is just leave it on the first one. Okay. Now next is subtitles, and we're gonna choose with subtitles, and we're gonna choose okay, so it's written all unknown. For a fact, I know that Slovenian subtitles are number 14th, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we're gonna choose those subtitles, and we're gonna test them first to see if that's working. As we can see, it is, and we're gonna, of course we don't want them in the middle of the screen, so offset them 50%, and that's perfect. So this is the titles. That's great. Timing, we're not gonna touch that. Now the next thing to set up is the actual DCP. We're gonna use the ISDFC name. We're not gonna assign this. We're gonna leave it on 24 frames per second. Yes, audio channels 3D, no. 2K content, this is fine. Everything here is okay. So that's it. Very simple to do. Now what we have to do is click, next thing is click make DCP. Now when we click when we click this, it's gonna start encoding. Now this is gonna take some time, depending on what kind of software you have, or hardware you have. I'm using a 12-core processor, 6-core processor, 12 threads. So this will at this kind of hardware, it took about 4 hours. So don't be alarmed if it takes a long time. It's normal. The end output should be about 70 gigabytes file, and once it's finished, you will have the file in the as we see in the destination folder that we chose, and well, I have here made it, and there it is. Inside you'll see all the files that you need for the DCP, and we can also test it immediately. DCP player, and we click where is it? File, open DCP, and as you can see, if you go in there, it's gonna find the file asset map. That's the file we're gonna open it with. It opens an XML file, not the actual video. And when we click play, it will start playing the DCP. As you can see, it works. Yes, that's fine. So that's pretty much all you need to do to record this, to make this DCP. All right, I wish you good luck with this, and just if you can, send me an email at the end to see what happened and how it went. Yeah, thanks a lot. That's all for now.